Welcome back once again to howtocookwayfood.com. Chicken curry on the menu today, but methi chicken. So we're going to use methi, which is fenugreek. I'll explain a little bit more later. We've got yogurt in there, it's delicious, some wonderful spices. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's jump inside and take a look at what we have here. So chicken, I've got 1 kg or 2.2 pounds of chicken. Skin is on, as you can see, and the bone is in. You can do this with the skin off, or you can even do this with chicken breast, you know, like with no bone in it. 1 large onion chopped, 2 tomatoes, medium size, chopped nice and small. A little bit of green pepper or bell pepper there. 170 grams of yogurt or curd, plain yogurt. 2 teaspoons of chili, 1 of turmeric, 2 of cumin, 2 of coriander, some fresh chili to taste. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, and here we've got our methi or fenugreek. I'll explain about that just in a moment. We're going to start this off with some oil, add some salt. That's about it. Let's get going. So what we have here is the methi or fenugreek leaves or Kasuri Methi. This, which we're not using today, this is fenugreek seeds. So we're not going to use that, but we are going to use that. There's a big difference. That's got a really pungent, beautiful flavour. So we are on an above medium heat, and I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil, just dropping in that 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now I've got quite a lot of oil in there. I get accused of using lots of oil. Reduce it down if you want. Simply what we're going to do, we're going to drop in our chicken parts. Skin on, bone in. Like I say, I've got mixed parts here. And we're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes. Let's get a nice bit of colour and get the chicken on its way. I'll see you then. So of course, absolutely nowhere cooked, but it's got a little bit of colour on there, and like I say, it's got a bit of a head start. We're now going to drop in that onion. I'm using red, as you can see. And to that we're going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Garlic and ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger, of course. We use it all the time here, so we make our own, you know, in bulk, which is fabulous, or you can buy it in most stores really. Okay, next up we're going to add some salt, and then we're going to go for another 4 to 5 minutes on this above medium heat. Okay, so the onions are just starting to change colour and do their thing. Beautiful stuff. We're now going to add in the tomato. Cut the tomato nice and small. Try and use a nice juicy tomato as well. In goes our fresh chili. In go our spices. Let's take a look again, shall we? So chili, 2 teaspoons. Coriander, 2 teaspoons. Cumin, 2 teaspoons. Turmeric, 1 teaspoon. In that goes. And then what we're going to do, go for about 5 minutes. What we're hoping for is those tomatoes to cook down and maybe give off a little bit of moisture. Staying on this above medium heat. Keep it moving quite frequently now. Beautiful stuff. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment and all that stuff, will ya? So as you can see, I've got a nice amount of moisture from my tomatoes, and they're cooking down really nicely. What we're going to do now is pop in those bell peppers. Completely optional, but I just like them in there. Now, the yogurt or the curd, very important. When you get it out of the fridge or whatever, you need to whisk it. Whisk it up and get it nice and smooth. If you don't, it's going to be a little bit lumpy and not nice in the mixture. So yeah, just take a little whisk to it, just for, you know, a minute or so, and smooth it out. What we're going to do now is we're going to get the heat down, not to a simmer, but just above a simmer, a nice low heat. Look at that, fantastic. We're then going to get our methi. The trick is here, Rub it in between your hands like that and drop it in, and then let this go for about another 5 or 6 minutes and we're done. It's beautiful. Really beautiful. Off goes the heat. Little bit of fresh cilantro or coriander. I'll see you at the table. Check that for salt, but that for me is beautiful. And there you go, absolutely beautiful. What I've done is I've just put a little bit more methi on top, the dried leaves on top. That's wonderful. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.